Something interesting is happening at DJI. For a while, everyone assumed the Avata 3 would be DJI's next FPV drone. But now, leaks and insider chatter suggest DJI might be working on something even bigger, the DJI Avata 360. And if this is real, it could completely change FPV flying. Over the past few weeks, we've seen patent filings, leaked test footage, and insider discussions pointing toward a new kind of FPV drone. One that doesn't just improve speed or camera quality, but adds full 360-degree capture into the Avata lineup. So what does that mean? Instead of worrying about perfect camera angles while flying fast, a 360-degree FPV drone would let you capture everything and choose the best angle later. This would be huge for creators, YouTubers, filmmakers, and action sports content. Leaks suggest DJI may combine the ducted, safe Avata design with a 360 camera system, giving pilots immersive FPV flight while unlocking completely new creative shots. Think cinematic FPV moves with the freedom of reframing after the flight. Camera quality is also expected to improve significantly. Rumors point to better low-light performance, higher dynamic range, and smoother stabilization, possibly even removing the need for external action cameras. Flight performance shouldn't be left behind either. DJI is reportedly working on better motors, improved efficiency, and longer flight times, while still keeping the Avata easy to fly for beginners. Another big upgrade could be next-gen DJI FPV transmission, meaning clearer live video, lower latency, and stronger signal, especially in urban environments. What's interesting is that some leaked footage originally thought to be Avata 3 test flights might actually belong to this Avata 360 project. If that's true, DJI could be delaying Avata 3 on purpose, saving it for later while launching something more revolutionary first. As for timing, current rumors suggest late 2025 or early 2026, but nothing is officially confirmed yet.